Angie in real life. Angie in real life with one L. I am your
And
and your purpose.
you can tell it's tension in the air. You can tell.
Push out, push out, push out, push out, push out, push out. Here's what you gotta do. Hit the bus discussion and coming to. Okay, guys, here we go. We got a nice hot skillet. We are going to oil the skillet and get it ready for the boneless, skinless thighs. We're making teriyaki chicken with fried rice. That package that I held up is a brand called Sunbird. Purchased it from Food Lion. In this bag I have the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I think I marinated them overnight or just a couple hours before I decided to cook. We got some Kukkoman teriyaki sauce while the skillet is getting hot. As you can see in the corner, we have Ben's rice, formerly known as Uncle Ben's. Since all this Black Lives Matter and all that stuff was happening, they reformulated a lot of different things that, like the Uncle Ben's rice and the Aunt Jemima pancake mix. So of course we're oiling the skillet. I use canola oil, but you can use what you have on hand. And I'm just oiling it up real good so that the chicken thighs won't stick. Then we're going to add the chicken thighs. And I think I had about 7 thighs in that bag. My husband and I can eat off that for a couple days. Kind of like a low-key meal prep. So I'm adding the thighs to the griddle. Y'all, I really want an electric wok. I can't wait to get one. So you guys can make this meal on top of the stove as well, but because of the size of the griddle, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time cooking it, it was easier to just make it on this griddle. Check it out, Ben's Original, formerly known as Uncle Ben's. Alright guys, enjoy the video. Okay guys, I turned the thighs again, and that is a golden brown. Look at the brownness on them ladies. Check out that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I turned them again. Then I will check the internal temperature on them. To make sure that they're done, you want 165. This is what I'm using. This is a meat thermometer. I'm gonna turn it on. And then we're gonna check the meat. See how much longer we got. And you want to go with one in the thicker part of the meat. Not how much it's that you guys can see. But it should be 165 in internal temperature. We got 156, so we know it got a little ways to go. And when you're handling chicken, guys, be careful with it. So that is that. We got prep is key. Peas and carrots, onions, We're gonna drop the rice. Got your water boiling for your bag rice. So you drop 2 bags of rice in, depending on how much you feed it. My husband loves rice. So we're gonna do 2 bags because he can eat a bag by himself. And it'll last us for a couple days. So there it is. Ooh, absolutely finished. Alright, so I'm going to turn that off. And guys, because I want my teriyaki to be more of like a sticky, I want it to be kind of thicker. So what I did was I took some of the teriyaki sauce, put it in a pot, and I mixed it with a little bit of cornstarch to make it a little bit thicker teriyaki sauce. I am also going to add, well, I thought I was going to add I wanted to add a little, there it is, just to add a little sweetness to it, a little honey to it. And then I'm just going to put this on top of the stove and let it thicken up. And then I'm going to cover it on this chicken. I'm going to pour. Okay guys, I poured the teriyaki glaze over the chicken. Now what I'm going to do is put it in this dish and let it rest while I make the rice and the eggs. The egg is cooking, but I want to kind of like clean off the skillet a little bit so I can fry my rice, scramble my eggs, and then add my onions. Y'all look at that sauce thickening. See how it's thickening on there? Ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh. I mean, the heat is causing it to thicken even more. So look, get all that glaze. Get all of it. Get all of it. It's gonna be so good on the rice. I mean, just cover the chicken. Yes. Y'all, I meant to get some toasted sesame seeds. I forgot. Was looking right at them and didn't even pick them up. So we're gonna let it marinate in that. Off to the side. Okay, guys, we are adding the rice. The fried rice. We're adding the onions, the peas and carrots, and we're gonna add the rice along with the Sunbird rice seasoning and the a little splash of the low sodium curcumin soy sauce. And we're going to scramble the eggs, guys, and then we will come back with the finished results. Okay guys, and here it is, finished and complete. Yes, yes, and yes. And check it out. Here is your fried rice
Asian fried rice with teriyaki, boneless, skinless thighs. And let's have a taste. Mmm. Let me see. Do I need to get another fork? Okay, guys, now for the taste. I tasted it already, but you know, I didn't hit the record button. There you got a piece of thigh. You got some carrot, some egg, and for the kill. There, your bite. All right. The onion, the egg, the teriyaki, the tender thigh, the seasoning, the honey, on point. Guys, if you make this dish, let me know how it turns out. If you had it before, still let me know how it turns out. It is delicious. Don't forget again,